In this section, we are going to learn how we can use the calculator to perform some basic math operation. So the first example we have says that we should compute 4% of $500. So this is how we are going to compute it. So you press 4, you press percent times 500 equal to, so we have 20. So 4% of $500 is 20. Now, example 2 involves price with percentage add-on. So let's say you bought an item and there is 7.5% VAT on the item. So if you want to calculate the total price you are going to pay for that item, we are going to press 600 plus we press 7.5% equal to. So that gives us a total price of $645. Now the next question we have involves price with percentage discount. So let's say you bought an item and there is 10% discount on that item. So we can also use the calculator to determine the price we are going to pay for that item. So we are going to press 500, which is the price of the item, minus we'll press 10, we'll press percent equal to. So that gives us a price of $450. We can also use the calculator to compute square root. So if we want to get the square root of 81, we'll press 81, we'll press square root. We can also use the calculator to get the square of a number, okay? So we want to get the square of 7. So we'll press 7, we'll press square, okay? So the square of 7 is 49. We can also use the calculator to get reciprocal of a number, okay? So the reciprocal of 8, we'll press this. So the reciprocal of 8 is 0.125. Now we can also use the calculator to generate a random number, okay? So if you want to generate a random number with the calculator, press second function, you press division, okay? If you keep on pressing second function, division here, you will keep on getting different random numbers. Now let's see how we can use the parentheses buttons in the calculator, okay? So we have this example. So we are going to press 20, we'll press plus, we'll press open brackets, we'll press 5 times 3, we'll close our bracket. So this is equal to 35. In example 9, we are going to be using the power function in the calculator. So we want to get 7 raised to power 1 over 3. So this is how we are going to press it in the calculator. You first of all press 7, then you press raised to power. You open a bracket, we'll press 1 over 3. We'll close the bracket, we'll press equal to. So we have that this is approximately equal to 1.9129. Now we can also use the factorial function in the calculator. So let's say you want to get 5 factorial, you press 5, you press second function, you press times, okay? So this gives us that 5 factorial is equal to 120. Now we can also use the calculator to get the natural logarithm and the natural anti-logarithm. Now let's say we want to get the natural logarithm of the number displayed. So we have 7 points, we have 38, we have 90, we have 56, we have 099. So we press len, okay? So if we press len, we have that the natural logarithm is equal to 2. We can also get the natural anti-logarithm for this number. So if we want to get the natural anti-logarithm of 2, we'll press second function, we'll press len, okay? So we get back that same number. Now, we can also use the calculator to solve combination and permutation questions. So let's say we want to get 6 combination 2. So we'll press 6, we'll press second function, we'll press this plus here, we'll press 2 equal to. So we have that 6 combination 2 is 15. We can also get 6 permutation 2. So we'll press 6, we'll press second function, we'll press minus, we'll press 2 equal to. So we have that 6 permutation 2 is equal to 30.